This ring up at 22.23, so I was getting a dime. Looks like a fired bullet. It probably hit something. Cool. Moving on. 1617. Figured I'd see if I could find it together just in case. Oh, never mind. It's not an Indian. I can see it now. It's a bullet. Okay. Is that an old bullet? C W. I don't know. Is that old? Six W O C W O C. I don't know. Okay, moving on. I found one of these the other day, or very similar. Some kind of a copper fitting, ring up a 19. Top for a lid. I see it's got threading inside. So I don't know what that is, but that's something interesting. Okay, moving on. Ring up in the high 30s. Not sure what that is. Oh, huh. Well, it's a valve or a turn on, turn off switch. Or something. This doesn't even feel heavy enough, but I'll check and see if there's something else down there. Put this in my bag. Hang on. Let's see, that was probably it. Yep, that was it. Yep, that was it. Okay, moving on. Got a wheat penny. $40 something. Let's see if I can enlarge it. Nope, it's not a 40. That's a 15, I think. Geez, let's try it against this. Something. Can't tell. I guess we'll have to check that out when we get home. Not in the best of shape, but definitely a wheat. There's the one. Okay. Yay. Best find of the day. 1913, 1917. I don't know. Okay. All right, got another nice buckle. 23.24. It's a big one. It's strange, it's got the, I don't know, what would you call that, design around the outside. Oh, both sides of it have it. That's pretty cool. It still has its tongue thing. Do you think this is a horse buckle? Oops. That's pretty cool. I like that. Clean that up a little bit better later. Try to identify what kind of a buckle that is. Probably horse stuff, I'm guessing. I don't know. But that's really cool. Okay, moving on. Thought I was getting a nail, and I did. Big one, but I also got another D buckle. This rings up a 27 by itself. And of course, the signal I got for the hole was very jumpy, as you would expect, with a nail in it. But I'm glad I dug it, because I wasn't going to, because I figured it would be just a nail, but here's another buckle. Cool. Okay, moving on. Let's ring up a 1-2. Oh, all over now. My first intact salt or pepper shaker. I'm guessing pepper because it's dark. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. I like it. Not old, but cute. All right, I'll use that. Moving on. I came across this pretty stone. What a beautiful job. All sparkly. Nice. That's beautiful. Okay, moving on. Not sure what this is. We got 1920. Copper. Okay. Found some type of a slidey bolt thing. 16 on the Equinox. That's pretty cool. Okay, moving on. Okay, we got another big buckle, 2930, really deep. Almost as deep as my carat, and it's a D again. Same thing. No middle part. That's pretty cool though. I really like that. Super loud, way down. I'll check and see if the middle part, but it doesn't look like it had a middle part, so maybe it had to do with horse tack or something. I don't know, but that's a good find. I'm happy with the buckles. I'm not really finding much anything else. Let's make sure there's nothing else in there. And there's not. Okay, moving on. I'm going to do a quick wrap up from today, so I can get this video up and loaded. It looks like a 1913. That's what it looks like. Should clean that just a little bit. 17? Hold on. Yeah, it looks like a 3. Funky looking 3, but yeah, I think it's a 1913. Is that a good one? I don't know. I think the only year they have the VDBs are the 09s, right? But that's pretty good, a 1913. That's a pretty good shape, I think, anyway. Cool. Okay. Next, I'm just going to dump this out carefully. It's easier to see it that way. I don't want to break my bulbs. I found 2 more bulbs, and I'm assuming they're going to work. Let me just get back to you after I sort this. Right. I got 2 more of those light bulbs. I'll have to check them to see if they work. The 1913 wheat penny. A 19... Crap, I can't read it now. I thought it was a 76. Yeah, I think it's a 1976 and 1975, maybe. I think that's a 75 penny. I got a 66 dime, a 68 dime, and a 2000 dime. Salt pepper shaker. I've got this pepper shaker itself. Looks like there's still loaded with pepper. I could clean that out and actually use that. I think that's cool. That's a really cool find. 3 bullets. Close up on these. WOC 5, 9 or 95. WCC. This buckle. Look at this buckle. You can see through it. So it's like a double buckle. I've never seen one like that before. I have no idea what kind of a buckle that would be, but that is incredibly cool. I'm going to post that on Facebook to try to get an answer to that before I publish the video. See how you can see through it? Looks like it's got some solid. I've never found one of these type of buckles before where there's 2 pieces and you can see there's openings all around. I don't understand why or what it's for. But that's pretty interesting. Please post below if you know what that is. In the meantime, I'm going to see if I can figure it out. and I'll let you know. Found another one of these nice D buckles. They're really cool, and that place seems to be loaded with them, so I'm wondering why. Another one of these things. It does have, what do you call that, for screwing things on? Threaded, that's it. It's threaded on the inside. And I forgot to show you these bullets. This one's got a couple of rings on it. This one's just kind of flat and smushed. I don't know what this is, this nice little metal piece. No idea. Pretty, but junky. Okay, and that's it for today. Those are the goods. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.